Show Mommy how you go on the slide. Show Mommy. You came out? Stay over here. I'm gonna go on your slide. Mommy gonna do it. Come on, Mommy gonna get your slide. Careful. You want Mommy hold it? Okay, show Mommy how you go on this. Uh-oh, I got it. I got it. Show Mommy how you go on the step. Come on. Mommy show you. Mommy gonna do it. Mommy gonna do it. Ella gonna do it? Oh. Can you go up the steps? Show Mommy how you do it. I'm gonna do it. Mommy get it. Huh. 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 Yeah, Ella do it too? Show Mommy. On this side. Yeah, Ella do it first. You just did it 3 times. You want to swing? You want to swing? Show Daddy how you go on the slide, Ella. What happened? Why didn't I get that on film, darn it? Ella, stay over here. You like outside? You sitting outside?
Yeah.
Yeah? Eating your snacks? Let's go on the slide. You want to go on the slide?
No.
Come on. Look at Daddy got his new fence. Daddy put up the new fence. And now they're doing that. Come on, let's go on the slide. I do it. Ella do it. Say 1, 2, 3, slide. You want to do it? Come on. Let's go on the slide. We'll take a picture and show Grandma and Granny, okay? Come on. I help you.
No.
No? I'm going to go slide. Come on, Ella. You show me how to do it?
No. I'm on it.
You want to eat your snack first?
Alright, new fence. Just got the front left to do.